in the hell are you doing in my hair? You eating? Soruyo! Are you eating in my hair? What? You better eat all that stuff is in my hair. Te voy a chingar, pinche Soruyo, eh? You better eat all that stuff. It's in my hair. Look, we have some aliens in here. They want to eat my bird. You want to eat my bird? Get it, Soruyo. Get the ball, Soruyo. Get the ball, Soruyo. Soruyo, get the ball. Soruyo. Go get the ball, Soruyo. Go get the ball, Soruyo. Soruyo, go get the ball. Good job. Nah, that is stuff in the floor, cochino. Come on. Now, go get the ball. Go get the ball. Look. You playing soccer? You want to play soccer? Árale. Árale. Yay. Árale. Get it, Soruyo. Get it, Soruyo. Get it. There's the drywall man. Look at the real drywall.